Kasunod niya, pinagkalooban ni Singaporean President Tony Tan Keng Yam ng isang state banquet si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at ang kanyang delegasyon. Dito ay inihayag ng leader ng Singapore ang pagnanais ng maraming investors na mamuhunan sa Pilipinas. Nagbabalik si Rocky Ignacio.
Dagdag na pamumuhunan sa Pilipinas bunga ng state visit ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Sa pinagkaloob na state banquet, sinabi ni Singaporean President Tony Tan Keng Yam na maraming investors ang nais maglagak ng negosyo sa Pilipinas.
Both Singapore and the Philippines are doing more to enhance economic and business cooperation. This year, International Enterprise Singapore, i.e. Singapore, assisted a number of Singapore companies from the renewable energy and consumerism sector to secure their first projects in the Philippines. In line with the current administration priorities for inclusive economic development, i.e. Singapore is also encouraging Singapore companies to venture beyond Metro Manila into cities such as Davao and Cebu. I am pleased to note that IE Singapore is devoting more resources to step up its presence in the Philippines in 2017 to better serve the growing interests of Singapore companies in the Philippine market. The Philippine-Singapore Business Council, comprising senior executives from both countries, is also a key platform for our business communities to forge stronger ties and explore commercial opportunities.
Tiniyak naman ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang pagpapabuti pa ng relasyon ng Pilipinas at Singapore. Sinabi ng Pangulo na naging pagkakataon niya na maipakita na mananatiling matibay na magkaibigan ng dalawang bansa.
Allow me at the outset to thank Your Excellency for the very warm welcome and exceptional hospitality accorded me and my delegation on my state visit. I came to Singapore with a singular purpose, to renew and reaffirm the friendship and cooperation between our nations and peoples.
Pinasalamatan rin ng Pangulo si President Tan sa pagkilala sa isinusulong na independent foreign policy ng Pilipinas, pati na rin ang kakayahan ng Filipino workers. Ang mahigit 180,000 Pilipino dito ay patunay na magandang relasyon ng Pilipinas at Singapore.
To reaffirm respect and independence and the non-interference in the internal affairs of states. We are committed to make the ASEAN region and beyond safe and secure from traditional and emerging transnational threats. We are championing diversity and making sure that dialogue between religions and faiths form the bedrock of a peaceful society. We are advancing growth by further intensifying two-way trade and commerce. We are expanding the opportunities for investments to flourish in both our countries. Indeed, we have done much and we can do more. The presence of around 180,000 Filipinos here are the testimony of our enduring friendship.
Samantala, bahagi na ipinakaloob na hapunan sa Pangulo at delegasyon ang Wagyu tenderloin, bean cream soup at mango and caramel ice cream. Para sa PTV News, Rocky Ignacio, Singapore.